scholars, how are you doing? Previously we learned about basic mathematics vocabulary, and today we are going to learn about vocabularies related to geometric shapes. Well, geometric shapes are headache, I know. I mean, at least for me, I don't like them at all. But there are some geometric shapes that you should be familiar with. I mean, you must know name of these shapes. So that's why today I'm going to introduce you to some basic geometric shapes and vocabularies related to the geometric shapes. Let's get started. Meanwhile, if you are new here, I am Sabir Ahmed from BA Scholars. I regularly upload videos on improving your vocabulary, your English, your mathematics knowledge. So if you want to improve them, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a video. Let's get started. Okay, so at first let's talk about triangles. Triangles are polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices. As now you're seeing on the screen, this is a triangle, and there are several types of triangle. The first one is equilateral triangle. All 3 sides of equilateral triangle are equal, and it have all 3 angles are equal size of 60 degree. Everything is equal, that is why it is called equilateral triangle. Then comes isosceles triangle. Any 2 sides of this triangle are equal in length, and only 2 angles of this triangle is equal. As you now watching on the screen, this is isosceles triangle, and 2 sides of the triangle is equal, but the other one is different. That's why it is isosceles triangle. Then what if none of the sides are equal, none of the angles are equal? Then what we call them? We'll call it scalene triangle. As now you are watching on the screen, this is a scalene triangle. You are clearly seeing that none of the sides are equal, none of the angles are equal. This is called scalene triangle. Then if a triangle have only one side, one angle equal to 90 degree, means only one right angle, then it is called right triangle. Then comes the obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangles means only one angle of the triangle will be obtuse. That means higher than 90 degree. Obtuse angle are angle which angles are higher than 90 degree. So if a triangle have only one angle higher than 90 degree, then it will be called obtuse angle. Other 2 angles will be acute angle. Acute angle means lower than 90 degree. Then comes the acute triangle. As I said, acute means an angle lower than 90 degree. So if a triangle have all 3 angles lower than 90 degree, that means acute angle, then we can call it acute triangle. Okay, that was all about triangles. Let's move on to quadrilaterals. A polygon with 4 sides is called quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are often called quadrangles or tetragons. The first member of the quadrilateral is a square. As now you are watching on the screen, a square has 4 equal lines, and all the lines are equal, and all angles are right angle. It is called square. It is the first member of quadrilateral. These have 4 lines of symmetry. Then comes the rectangle. Rectangle have 4 sides and 4 rectangle. You may think this is similar to square, but it is not square, because we can't call this square because here all the 4 lines are not equal. Only 2 lines are equal. As you are seeing, the higher and lower line are equal, and the left and right lines are equal, but all of them are not equal. That's why we call it rectangle. Then the third one is rhombus. Rhombus has 4 equal lines, just like a square, but it is not a square because here all the angles are not right angle. You can see the angles are different. They are not 90 degrees, some are 90 degrees, some are higher than 90 degrees, some are lower than 90 degrees. Then the fourth one is parallelogram. Parallelogram have two parallel lines of symmetry. It has two pairs of parallel sides, and the higher and lower are parallel, then the sides are parallel. That's why it called parallelograms. Some parallelograms have two lines of symmetry, but most parallelograms do not have any lines of symmetry. We are done with the three sides and four sides. Now let's move on to the curved shapes, and you are very much familiar with the first one. It is circle. It is a circle. You can see on the screen right now. You have seen it many times in your life since your childhood. You should be familiar with this shape. It is a circle. A circle have a point in the middle, and from the point, every point of the diameter is equidistant. That's why you can call it a circle. And circles have infinite number of symmetry. Then the second one is eclipse. Eclipse are like circles that has been squashed or stretched, as you are now watching on the screen, and it is a special kind of oval also. And eclipse has only two lines of symmetry, as you are watching on the screen. Well, that was all about 2D shapes. I hope you like it. If you want to learn more about the geometric shapes, I can upload a video next, which will be on 3D shapes. So if you are interested in geometric 3D shapes, please comment down below. I will try to upload another video on 3D geometric shapes as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please hit on that thumbs up button. It will motivate me to make more videos to improve your vocabulary skills. And that was all for today. Thanks for learning. Tada.